Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Unite on your PC. To begin, you'll need to download and install an Android emulator, which acts like a virtual phone on your computer. This software allows you to run mobile applications, including Pokémon Unite, directly from your desktop. Make sure your PC meets the emulator's system requirements for the best experience. Once your emulator is installed, open it and complete any initial setup steps. You will then need to log in with your Google account to access the Google Play Store, just like on a mobile device. From there, simply search for Pokémon Unite and install the game. The process is straightforward, similar to downloading any app on your phone. For the best experience, adjust your emulator's performance settings, allocating sufficient CPU cores and RAM. Next, configure your keyboard and mouse controls. Emulators offer keymapping tools to assign on-screen game actions to your keyboard keys and mouse movements. You can customize these bindings to suit your playstyle, then save your personalized control profile. With the game installed and controls set, take some time to practice your new keyboard and mouse setup. The larger screen offers improved map awareness, which can be a significant advantage. Many emulators also support gamepads, providing another control option if you prefer. Now you're ready to enjoy Pokémon Unite on your PC with enhanced precision and comfort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.